So how was your trip?
Oh, it was good. I went to Amsterdam, London.
Hey, brother. Yo, what up? I'm cooking. Can I call you back? Alright, peace.
So sweet. You have a song for your brother.
You've got a friend in me.
And your best friend.
Yo, man, I'm cooking. Can I call you back? Alright, thanks, buddy.
Cute. What's my song? Really mature, Mark. You know, I'm supposed to be your girlfriend, and you put that as my ringtone. Like, what type of respect is that in a relationship?
Oh, yeah? Well, what's my ringtone?
Don't want no short dick, man. Don't want no
Love this song.
You said you weren't going to tell anyone.
Small dick.
don't want no
Your dick. Mark, it's true.
don't want no short dick, man.